Lastly, we have the data dashboards. So data dashboards are not limited to graphical display. So data dashboards were already introduced in the first chapter wherein, or no, first or the second, wherein we talk about data visualizations. But when we were talking about graphs, so graphs can be used to present or can be used in data visualizations. Now, data dashboards, again, as I mentioned, is not limited to graphs. So, the addition of numerical measures such as the mean and standard deviation of KPIs to a data dashboard is often critical. So, dashboards are often interactive, and then we have a term drilling down, which refers to the functionality in interactive dashboards that allow the user to access information and analysis at increasingly detailed level. So this is an example of a data dashboard. Now, as you can see here, there are graphs presented, di ba? Katong mga box plot, na mga line graphs. So, you can also have pie graphs and so on and so forth. However, as mentioned, pwede ra dili graphs ra tanan ang nasimuhan data dashboard. So, you can also show numerical measures. So, katong ato ang mga measures nga gipang-compute for chapter 3, the variance, standard deviations, the z-scores, correlation, covariance. So, those data or those information is pwede po nimo siya ma-appeal sa imuhang dashboard. So, it would also make it easier for the user to understand the data or the graphs presented better if there is available numerical data or numerical measures. So, at least mura siya murag back up or it helps as a support sa imuhang graph 100%. So, example, in this case here, di ba, you have the time of resolved cases. So, makita nimo ang time. Now, napod siya in a box plot form, then resolved by type of case to sad siya ang box plot. Now, di ba, time to resolve cases, if kanira imong tan-awo na, you say, okay, kanira siya nahitabuan na time, ganun dugay maning, ganun dugay manay, and so on and so forth. Now, if you would really look at in detail, o, diba, so muna ni siya ang katong nasa mga summary statistics sa mga resolved cases, diba? So, makita nimo ang mean, median, the standard deviation, given nga ang cases kay email, and so on and so forth. So, makita na po din mo specifically unsa ang mga time, diba? So, from pila ka minutes, like, unsa, not pila ka minutes, but unsa na time, like from 8, 9, and so on and so forth. So, mas ma-better ni mo understand ang imuhang graphical presentations with the use of numerical measures. Therefore, the entity can further make deeper analysis with the data given into them if there are numerical measures as a support. So, meaning there is integration between katong gidiscuss nato sa chapter 2 o kani sa chapter 3 na mga numerical measures. So, that is the end of chapter 3 part B.